Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Kongres ka Basong hakalyang Persya aga arpulai teri ubnai naitung arhajar arpuai kalabo jingkeli hakamat ka Executive Committee jong ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council halor ka jinga ye ka no objection certificate ya ka Karkhana Star Cement bakan klong ya umaushun habri chernot ka bahab hapo ka East Jaintia Hills District. Ka Kongres kalabo ye ka jingkeli haka dorbar lior ka bashisngi jong ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ha kabakalapan jubabru halor ka jingyalang kabalalong hapadeng ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jowai Municipal Board bat kumjo ru halor ka jingpen sange ya ka jaka bred nyut kabadan hakasnong menkejai wat habaladon ka jingete soskular hapadeng ka council bat ka municipal kabala soy house nem arhajar khat nyo. Chief Executive Member jong ka Council uba Thambor Shiwat habajubab ye kene ka jingkeli ulaong bakatai ka Karkhana Star Cement kalayo ye ka NOC ban klong ye umaushun habri chernot nado usnem 8000 khatway ha kabaya ka NOC la penthamai manla usnem ha ka dor ka balong khatsan hajar tingka ha kabaya dei bat ka jaka bret nyut ha ka snong menkejai Nagalyang jong executive member uba evening teron ulaong bakaladon ka joint inspection hapadeng ka municipal bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council ling bakatanat forest nagabentaban wat ya ka jaka hakajo ko por ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council kalapan pau ya jing ngolem ya ki bahayeng hasem jong uba obil kendaj ubala klatno haka khatnreo tarik ubnai naitung arajar arpuai ubala longteng u MLA bat u MDC barim jong ka council baro kinong kren ngolem ki bakantop nado chief executive member uba Thambor Shiwat u deputy CEM uba Laski Rambai uba pasman dekar lembat kiwai di ki MDC kila penpau ka jingdo nong ka bakrau halor ka jingklano jong uba kendaj baraga ka por kila nyo tangru yo senyang uben hei bo neurang ba ula no asyo usup utiar jong ka council ha ki hinreu samoi kenti ba ula long kumu MDC nado usnem khat kendai spa nyo pulai hado usnem arhajar khat sao.
May I know where have to identify the significant plot of land?
The Joint Inspection Committee has been done between the Forest Department and the Market Department. And also, the report has been submitted to the Executive Committee and is yet to be examined because so many land. We have to see which is the best place in the best land for dumping the garbage.
We, the council, as per my knowledge, we have executed an agreement with this council and the Joint Municipal Board on 1st August 2017 for the land in the land at Mangajai, which is for about 20 years. The agreement was for 20 years, and this agreement is not only between the council and the Joint Municipal Board, but it also being vetted by the Urban Department of Meghalaya. So may I know from the Honorable, has you scrapped this agreement which has been signed on 1st August 2017 or not?
Regarding the agreement, the dumping of garbage was subject to the acquisition or proposed by the NGOs.
As per we have agreement, we have provided in the last agreement signed between Joint Municipal Board and this council. I think the disposal of waste has been going on for about 2-3 years, and there has been no problem. The problem is that in the past 1 year, there is rampant dumping of garbage in that area. But as per the agreement, if I remember, as per the agreement, is that the Joint Municipal Board has to construct a fence that I think I have constructed, and they also has to provide a approach road, which has not been done. So now the case is that since because of the fault of the Joint Municipal Board, they didn't provide the road to the dumping place, and the people who didn't dump the area in the roadside. So now what happens now? because some opposition because of that, because of the failure of joint school board, some people are agitating against it. Now we as district council, now again they come to council. The district council is, the land of the district council will be provided to be a dumping ground for all the waste. Now finish Makagay. Now we will find another place. And after dumping some more waste in another district council land, again some agitation will happen. When it's not our fault. We have only signed an agreement with them for 20 years, from 2017, now 2017, 37 they should come there. Now, when some people agitate, now they will come again, they ask for another land to visit. And we will supposed to travel, so somewhere, somewhere, again people will agitate. So now, are we this council, are we the land council, are the dumping place of all this thing, or dumping place of all the garbage? When we only execute agreement, when it is their fault. It is their fault that they provide the road. It is a road, I think 2-3 years, there's some agitation when we start also, this dumping place. But through proper talks and negotiation, they allow. But the problem why people agitate is because the municipal board doesn't provide a road, a proper road to the dumping place, and people tend to throw the garbage everywhere. So my question here, are we discussing a place, the land discussion, are a dumping place of the garbage now one more, after this then one more, so people then will find another place, and the whole of the area here, the land discussion will become a dumping place. I want to know, are we to be, the land resources to be provided just dumping, we can do plantation, we can do so many things there. I don't know. Or should we stick to the agreement which we have signed in 2017?
This is because the municipal board has not done the asphalt agreement, like construction of road and wall in the dumping place.
And actually the agreement also they have agreed that the Johannesburg was agreed to get to the place we start to get clearance from the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. So what I didn't do. So I just want to raise the issue with the EC. But I will just provide any land here and there and down the place.
At present we are just searching the place to dump the garbage. But the state committee has already decided that the municipal board have to fulfill one agreement signed between the municipal board and the council. Suppose if we are agreed to dump all the garbage of the municipal in one area also, but we have to buy a strong agreement between the municipal and the council. Otherwise, we will not allow them as they have done in the previous year.
Mr. Chairman, that's why I want to sincere and reply that we have already had an agreement. Agreement we already have now. Why don't we stick to the agreement? The agreement is very binding on them. Instead of them buy land or purchase to build new roads, new place, why can they do that? Build there and then make it proper and then fencing all of them. Why destroy all the place of the council land? Stick to the agreement because it's valid to 37. You can stick to that and let
at the same place, they are trying to stick and all upon the municipal to proceed to work and construct and restore. But as far as the government also, they didn't allow us to dump the garbage in that area. So that is why since we have the garbage, so that we are searching to dump in there. Some in remote area.
When will the state committee register the oil council again, please, for identifying, detecting illegal trading by non-tribal commercial vehicles on that same business illegally being out valid trading license for its open road checkpoint station. There are some here, recreation and processing site. Why in such a matter to go to something with recreation? How much the time Kalau cimpur ia ketiga publication itu hari anda proses dan perlu detail dari kuat kalau cimpur hak ini itu kerikis dan cepat kemudian itu boleh bahkan berikir mulai balik dokumen itu praktis pasal sama saja
Che liga vai committee da cavolo en liga pandemic yang menjadi lokal dan tidak mungkin pulau itu tidak memantau verbo kurang ada dan mereka en liga di penulis untuk pada kewila manusia hadukan pun kita mendarat curau atau semua yang terjadi berprotokol yang canggih. Ketika dan ini kalau akan mesti mengui bahwa proses mereka teman-teman relatif ia benar yang terlalu satuan teman mulai dari aktivitas yang permission dan kemudian kita ini tidak semangat. Tapi pun transversal dan ini pun bahwa kami harus lockdown dekat ujian cukup tidak baik tempat Part the new election department. In regard to the funds that have been received, the total amount received to date is 6 crores in 2 lakhs and 3,000 only.
Rural local bodies or other local bodies or like volunteers. And it's directly stated in the guidelines that the state government has to hold this one maximum only for 10 days. Now the part which has been released to us now for a long time. Now this 6 crore is meant for us, but the government has hold this amount for such a long time. And how to know the ST committee? Do they ask for the interest part which we need to get? So did the committee ask for the interest portion of this fund for us?
And two, we are also not looking at any means of hold the net. We just leave the bill net. Since like as per the guidelines, like they are allowed to hold for 10 days, but then like it has more. So we are moving ahead to seek further interest of the money they have.
Bahwa ini dua kali semuanya essential state committee bersama sebelum dan honorable item ia interest dalam budget tesnya buat buat master chairman sir pada state committee lembah yang honorable item kami ini untuk smart Muslim dia interest dan bond develop ini jadi konstitusi berjanji untuk Europe lembah ini honorable itu betul senyawa yang terburuk dikian